Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get how to get a business bank account as a beginner barber to scale your barbering career. Okay? What's up everybody? My name is Isaac Vera and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a business bank account as a beginner barber. One of the most important steps if you want to scale your barbering career beyond the chair is you have to actually start building business credit. So in this case, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually start applying for your own business bank account. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is isaacvera.official. So let's not waste no more time. Let's hop into the video. Too many barbers make the mistake of mixing personal money with business money, and that's how you end up broke, stressed, and organized when tax season hits. A business bank account keeps everything clean and sets you up for growth. Before the first step that you have to follow is you have to form your business. Before you can open a business bank account, you need to file for a LLC. Your business needs to be officially registered, usually as an LLC. That gives your barbering career a legal identity and makes him eligible to open up for a business bank account. The second step that you have to follow is you have to get your EIN number. Okay, an EIN number or employer identification number, it's like a social security number for your business. The good news that you can get it for free from the end. The step number 3 that you have to follow is you have to choose the right bank. Not all banks are the same. Some charge monthly fees and some require big minimum balances, and some offer perks like cashback, rewards, or even easy apps that you have to download. Do a little bit of research and on picking your bank that fits your budget and convenience. And I know for some people that have IT numbers, if you feel like you don't have options, trust me, you do. I do have an IT myself, and I don't think that there's issues with getting a bank account, even having an IT.